How to write bytes to file. I have a function that returns a string. The string contains carriage returns and new lines 0x0d 0x0a. However, when I write to a file, it contains only the new line feeds. Is there a way to get the output to include the carriage return and the new line?
If you want to write bytes, then you should open the file in binary mode.
Write bytes and create the file if not exists. WB means open the file and write binary mode.
Here is just a cleanup version with